Okay, you've created a post and you're about to press that button to start it off. It's worth just thinking through when and how is the best way to do that. And part of that is understanding what LinkedIn is doing and how LinkedIn works. So LinkedIn makes its money broadly in the following ways. 60% of its income comes from Recruiter. That is their main source of income. So that's where they can say to businesses, hey, all of the employees that you want, all of the directors who are looking to recruit are all on our platform. And you'll see when Microsoft announces the results for LinkedIn that they quote both the number of active users and the amount of time that those active users are spending on LinkedIn. And what they want to say each time they have results out is both of those things are increasing, so that people will continue to pay for Recruiter. And the payment for Recruiter is in the thousands of pounds per user per year, and that's where they make most of their money. The second place they make their money is using Sales Navigator or Premium. So they will charge you a fee of £70-80 a month in the UK to have that facility. And that gives you access to much more sales data, spreadsheets, and direct access to directors to offer and talk to directly. The rest of their money is made up via advertising and LinkedIn Learning. And in this period where we're all locked down, they are thinking about creating a LinkedIn University on the back of everybody doing training virtually. So, if that's what LinkedIn's up to, their algorithm is also working on all of that. And so when you post something onto LinkedIn, in the first hour, the algorithm watches what is going on with your post, and it's looking for engagement. It's looking to see who is liking, sharing and commenting and showing interest in what you've got to say. So it's really important when you're about to post that you stay around for that first hour. Equally, it's really a good idea to speak to your network, whether that's via a WhatsApp group or a text message, to say, hey, I'm about to post something, can you look out for it, and comment ideally on what that post is and add to the discussion. And then each time you get a post, comment back, and then you're doubling the number of comments. Once that first hour goes on and LinkedIn sees there's engagement with that post, it will then spread the reach of your post further. But in the initial phase, it may be as low as 3 to 10% of your audience will actually see what you post. So you need to line things up really well before you post to make sure you get as much engagement as possible. So, the LinkedIn algorithm, nobody knows exactly how they work. It's a very closely guarded secret. But what we perceive is when you post, your post only goes to a small percentage of your audience. So if you had 100 connections, it may go to between 3 and 10% of those in the first hour, while the algorithm watches to see what engagement there is with that post before deciding whether to spread the post further and wider.